Hi, I'm Kerri Hollywood from CFB Kingston. With Valentine's Day coming up, I love doing crafts for kids. So this is a great fun thing to do on a Friday night. All you need is a Kleenex box from home and a few supplies, and we're gonna make a mailbox monster for Valentine's. And if you don't have some of these supplies at home, you can check out the Michaels Canada website because all the supplies and the instructions are there for you as well. Let's see how we do. So here's our finished monster mailbox for Valentine's Day. It's so cute and it was a lot of fun to make too. So whether you're a teacher and want these for the classroom, which is fun, or you're home with the kids, you can make little messages actually all week long prior to Valentine's Day, and they can find a love message each morning. make sure you take some time and try this craft at home with the kids. And keep following us on social media at PSP Kingston. PSP Kingston, the health and wellness provider for the military community.